Good morning. How's everybody doing? Coming to you live from my bed here in Pottsboro, Texas. I had a interview lined up last night for y'all with a plumber, and I was gonna ask him 3 questions about the market and what we need to change in our homes or upgrade, and is it worth it? But when you're married to a plumber, you just can't get that to happen. He agreed to it, but then after the tacos and the Hornitos tequila, he was like, oh my goodness, we got to do that? So needless to say, I do not have that video of an interview, but we did get a new headphone in. So I'm pretty excited about that. And I think it sounds pretty good, actually. Power DUIs. It comes with its own little bag. I really like it. It's got other stuff too. Like you can clean the mic. It's got these other stuff. Pretty awesome. Pretty sure with that interview last night that was supposed to happen, we bought a third boat, a third sailboat. Texie Edwards. It happens.